Well, good morning, friends and family from around the world. This is Mike with the Morning Dew Daily Events Worldwide. We are on July 25th, 2019. Welcome to another surviving day on this planet and another video from Morning Dew. We're going to start here looking at our sun as we do have some incoming solar activity. A few plasma tornadoes spinning off the left side of the sun there. And we did have some Earth-facing space weather that has affected us. Density bunches have increased to almost 7. Wind speed is steady at 350 kilometers per second. Outgoing sunspot region and incoming lower sunspot region. Let's get to earthquakes here the last 24 hours. Most recent here, 3.1 in Opupu, Hawaii. And notable largest 5.1 earthquake here in Indonesia. As well, a 5.0 here in Japan. But look at all these earthquakes in Oklahoma. 3.2 ranging to 3.3. 8 separate earthquakes in Oklahoma. As well as seeing still an earthquake swarm in California. 5.2 here, Central Mid-Atlantic Ridge, and a 4.9 yesterday. And a notable 4.7 here in Guadeloupe. Last 24 hours hasn't been very busy. Last 7 days showing the same. Not very busy. It's kind of quieted down a bit. We did just recently have a 5.0 in the Tonga region. I'm not sure on the depth yet. Stay aware and prepared. Have a plan and be ready. Because I want as many people to survive these disasters from around the world. We're going to get to weather now, and overlooking the 3-day visible images here over North America. You can see that large cold front dipped all the way down to the Gulf of Mexico, smashing into a tropical low. Across the west, had quite the extreme day yesterday. Another tornado touched down, confirmed northeast of Edmonton. And a tornado touched down in Saskatchewan as well. Some very extreme weather throughout Saskatchewan, as well as Alberta the last few days. In yesterday's video, I reported 12,000 lightning strikes because that's what Weather Network had reported. They went and changed their report to 4,000. So, yeah, that's just the way the cookie crumbles. So, tornado apparently was confirmed in Newfoundland as well. In Cape Town on the coastline there, just watching those small cells just skim the coastline there. That's most likely what produced the tornado. 5-day forecast brought to you by Meteo Earth and Meteo Mike. This is a flat Earth forecast. A little bit different. No, I'm kidding. I'm not going to do the flat Earth forecast. Overlooking North America, the heat continues. On the west, dry conditions. Stay aware, prepared California. Your forest fire season is about to peak. Santa Ana winds could start clocking in their high pressure ridge, hanging about off the coast of the Pacific. So watching throughout the United States as a low develops over Colorado and heads east, Colorado low straight into eastern Canada and the Alberta Clipper, mixed with a lot of cool air Also, we'll be bringing some stormy conditions throughout Ontario, Manitoba in the next 2 days. Alberta, we've got some great weather now for the next week or so. Temperatures ranging 25 degrees with no rain in sight. So enjoy the summer, folks. Much love to you all, and thank you for watching today. Pacific Ocean, not much to talk about. We do have the tropical depression number 7, was heading into Japan as a category 1. Still watching these strange atmospheric events coming off of China. That's where they have their new weather modification station. 650,000 square foot facility. Overlooking India, and as well the Nepal region, still watching monsoon rains continue. And also watching here, low pressure system coming off of India could produce a cyclone by the time it hits the Sea of Oman. Overlooking Europe, we do have quite a large low pressure system coming from the Atlantic moving into the really warm regions, so watch for extreme weather events across Paris, Romania, and Poland. All Midwestern European provinces. Coming days should be very active. Probably be a numerous lightning strike event like what we had here in Alberta. South America, not much to talk about except for, of course, the extreme weather in Argentina. Still large low pressure system spinning here. Southeastern Australia, seeing the only weather. Could see some really cool temperatures. Stay aware and prepared. Stay young and have fun. Don't forget to hit that like button and get your morning dew. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.